30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 27. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Arsh from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 27th way to make $100 per day online. This is super simple. You can do this even if you are a teenager. So I'm super excited about it because you can actually start making money online this way if you've never made a dime online. So I will show you what it is in a second, but before, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. These 4 things really help out my channel, so I highly appreciate it. Also check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my free courses, my coaching, all the tools that I'm using to make money online. And right now, let's jump into this video. So guys, the website I wanted to show you is gigwork.com. Okay, so how this works is big brands go to this website, and they also have an app, and they hire people just like you to give them an opinion and to help them out with essentially marketing. Okay, so as you can see, it says the world's largest brand intelligence platform. Okay, so this is what these brands are looking for: consumer brands, website and mobile app testing, and consulting and market research. They have big customers like Wrigley, like Frito-Lay, like Whirlpool. I even saw Pfizer here, I think. So guys, big companies, even Red Bull right here. So what you're going to be doing is helping these brands out with essentially marketing. Okay, so what we will do is we will click on find work right here. I already have it opened right here. So if you want to become a gig worker, so the reason I love this website is that you can make some little extra spending money, or you can actually earn an entire paycheck. It's totally up to you what kind of gigs you will choose and how much money you will make. So you can even start making money today. Now, how it works: you download the app, the GigWork app, you register with an account, you link your PayPal account so you get cash directly into your PayPal and then into your bank, and then you find and complete gigs in your area. So they have plenty of different gigs, and as you can see, you have a flexible work schedule. You can choose the gigs that interest you, and check this out. These gigs can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours, and they pay anywhere from $3 to $100. So can you make $100 per day online or with your phone this way? Definitely. Okay, then you have simple reporting, quick and easy payment, and you can start today. So I absolutely love this app, especially because they have the bigger gigs that you can earn $100 plus with. Okay, so guys, that's gigwork.com. I also wanted to show you 2 alternatives. Now, I mentioned these alternatives in one of my previous videos, but I wanted to include them here because they are sort of similar. Okay, so fieldagent.net is another one, and this is an app for mystery shoppers. Okay, so you will become a mystery shopper and essentially working with brands as well on in-store visibility, shopper insights, like again mystery shopping, product insights, concept testing, shelf evaluation, and more. So quite a similar concept right here. And another one I wanted to show you is taskrabbit.com. so taskrabbit finds you gigs like assembling a table or a desk, mounting a TV, moving boxes, cleaning a bathroom, lifting furniture, you name it, they got it, and you can make some extra money this way. And obviously with the bigger jobs, you can make $100 plus per day with this. So I just wanted to mention these 2 websites because they are similar, but the main one here is gigwork.com. Go and check it out right now, and hopefully you will make at least $100 on your first day. Guys, before you, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. Please do these 4 things right now. It really helps me out with this channel. Check out all the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.